Hi dear viewers, this is Aiden and Mom on holidays. Thank you for watching us. And today we will show you how to take a shower if you're on holidays and by some reason you don't have a baby bathtub. What should you do? In our wonderful 5-star hotel, all baby bathtubs have been taken because there are so many people with babies and kids. So there are no more bathtubs here. So in that case, the safest and the easiest way is to give your baby bath or shower in the sink. Yeah? So what we do? We put small towel on the bottom of the sink and we put the baby inside the sink. Let's see how we're gonna do it. So we are putting a small towel, or you don't even need to do that, but in case the baby is very small and fragile, you can put a towel on the bottom. So Aiden is taking shower today. And make sure, of course, you check the water before you put the baby in the sink. So please make sure you prepare everything before you put your baby in the sink. You have baby shampoo and baby soap or shower gel. Aiden is enjoying the water sprinkling on his back. Yes, Aiden, how do you like it? Aiden is enjoying. You can put some small toys around the baby. Or Aiden is looking at this hotel mini shampoos and shower gels. So Aiden is curious. He's playing with all type of shampoos and soaps. Make sure there are no sharp gadgets around, no razors, no stones. Okay, now Aiden is sitting and taking his shower. Yes, Aiden. Let's show our viewers how we do it. Of course, we take some baby soap, baby shampoo. We have soap here. This is not for you, honey. And make sure that baby is properly washed. Aiden is doing great. So like this. Aiden. The water is good. Look, what is this? The baby, yes. This baby. And be gentle with his hair. This lovely hair needs to grow. Yes. And this strong body. Yay. Make sure the baby is sitting comfy and enjoying his bath. And make this process as fun as possible. Give him the gadgets, give him some things to play. You can also introduce him at this stage to a toothbrush. It's a very comfortable, actually, place to give baby a bath, both for the baby and the mom. Of course, you need to make sure that the baby fits in the bathtub. It's not suitable for big babies. Okay. And we rinse all our shampoos straight after that. Oh. Oh. Yes, that's how we do it. See how nice. Whoop. And we are ready. Should we can remove something after? Okay. And then this we put here. And Aiden is good to go. And Aiden is good to go, but he is enjoying his bath so much, he does not even complain. Where is your baby soap, my love? Did you put it somewhere here or here? This is soap for Aiden. So make sure, again, I'm repeating myself, that you are using the proper baby soap or baby shampoo. Make sure that after the bath you use special baby lotion. So now Aiden is ready, he's done. And of course make sure you hold the baby at all time, even when you are taking him out of the sink. Prepare the towel and your baby is good to go. You can unfold the towel and take the baby in your hands. Here we go. Aiden feels a bit sleepy. He is what? Yeah, let's see. How are you feeling? Bravo, bravo, Aiden. Make sure you say grateful words to your baby. Show him your appreciation and love. Mwah. And that's how we are learning to stand in the bed. With these little challenges, it makes the work more difficult. Today we are going to spa. Finally, we reached this lovely spa center. And mommy is going to do Turkish hammam and massage. It's extremely nice when you come to such holidays to do it, especially in the first day. But since Aiden was unwell and then we were very busy and then we did lots of things in the kids club, we decided better late than never.